Ready for another episode of Ugly Spot Killer Shot? Let's get to it. What's up everyone, my name is Sal Sincata and today we are in another ugly spot. We're gonna create some killer images here. Now, we're gonna do something cool today. This would be the golden hour, so sun setting, but it is really harsh light. So if you turn around here and look at Lauren, she's got some really harsh light on her, harsh shadows. And so what we're gonna do today is, usually we're looking at just the location, which this is a cool location. It's kind of that grungy, dead end looking location. I like it. I like the juxtapose with her dress, but we really don't want this harsh light. We wanna soften this up. So an unused tool for most photographers is the scrim. Yes, the scrim. It's like bouncing away from me. I'll deliver the rest of my lines behind this. And so this is an unused tool by most photographers. It sits in our bag. If you have a 5-in-1, you have this, but you don't really use it. Now, to be fair, most 5-in-1s are circular. This one's a little bit oblong. So this is a larger one, but it's meant for full body so that we can scrim her. So we're gonna use this, and then for bonus points, if we can fold this, I think we can. There we go. All right. Hey, there's videos on how to fold it. I still got it. All right. Here's what I want to do. Let's focus on Lauren here for a second. I just want to show you this, right? Not everything has to be reinventing the wheel. Maybe in about a half hour or so, this light will be a little bit better, easier, softer on her. But right now, if I want to soften this up, watch what happens when we put that scrim on her, okay? Now we've got full body, and Brandy, I'm going to give this to you, right, where we can control this light. So she's still going to get some nice, even lighting here. And I'm going to show you two ways to shoot this. One is just going to be with the scrim, and then the other, we're going to add a reflector so that we have more control of the light. So let's just start with the scrim, shoot this. Actually, let's do this. Brandy, let's get rid of that scrim for a second, and then let me take some pictures here. So look straight at me. Yep, right there. Good job, Lauren. So here we go, 1, 2. I know what you're probably thinking. You're like, oh, this looks really good. Why would you scrim this? It's a little bit too harsh from my taste, right? So now let's bring in that scrim. What you're gonna see now is much more even lighting on her where we can control what we're seeing now. So now the scene, I think, is more evenly lit, and I think this is much more visually pleasing. There you go, Lauren. Good job. All right, now we're just really using the scene. And you'll see in the background, there's a road not through sign. Obviously, I'm gonna edit that out in post-production. Lauren, stay with that light to your left. Don't look to your right. This way. Yeah. We'll work on left and right later, Lauren. It's her first video. We got to work it out. All right, stay with me. So let me get in close here. Look right at me, Lauren. Right there, beautiful. Hey, can somebody do me a favor? Maybe Brandy, just get the hair and camera left and then off her eye there. Yep, thank you. I like it like that. That looks really pretty. Good, good. Yeah, right there. And now let's go here. So I'm getting really nice light, and I am getting catch lights in her eye, which I like. Right there, beautiful, Lauren. Let me get some horizontal. There we go. Bring your face here, but then bring your eyes back here. Chin down. Yep, there we go. Love that, beautiful. Stay there. So I do like this, guys. So I feel like this is much more evenly lit. Let me get a couple more here. Also, Lauren, let me get you, I'm gonna shoot you straight back here. Yep, give me curves with your lower body. Yep, let that knee collapse more. I want that hip, beautiful. And then remember, lights this way. Yep. So can we switch hair, shoulders? Yeah, if you can, if you don't mind. Love your hair, Lauren. Maybe right now Brandy's not loving it, but yeah, it looks good. Lauren, I want to show you something I want you to do. All of us do this instinctually. We pull our chins in, creates a double chin. I want you to extend from here. It's called turtling. Really push it hard, harder. Chin down, 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 down. Beautiful. That's stunning. Lauren, stay there for me. So now I can come in here. I've got nice light on her. Cheat your face just a little bit this way, Lauren. Yep, right there. Beautiful. Stay there. Let me get full body. Don't move. Stay there. Look left. Right there. Face a little bit more left. Yep. And bring your eye. Yeah, right there. Beautiful, Lauren. Killer. I would say it's a killer shot, but we're gonna make it better. So now let's get an actual reflector to throw some light in here. So Maddie, you're gonna hold this like this, and you're gonna go over your head with it because you need to be able to see, and then see that light hitting her. We'll get it a little bit right there. See that? Isn't that awesome? All right, you got it. It's up to you. This video is gonna suck if the Maddie on reflector duty.
It's all up to you.
It's up to you, Maddie. Maddie, tell us a little bit about your job today. How's it going?
It's going good.
Yeah. You're pulling double duty today. You're doing craft services as well. It's a lot of work.
She did hair too.
And she did hair. Okay, yep. All right, daughter of Brandy, the new heir to the throne right there, ladies and gentlemen. All right, so here we go. I want you to flip around. Let's see that with the scrim, okay? Now we're gonna do, Maddie, you're up. Don't screw this up, Maddie. We're dependent on you. Now look what's happening, that light we're getting from her, right? So let me get this shot here. Here we go, 1, 2. Beautiful, stay there with it. Looking right at me, looking away to your left. Let your face go more left, eyes up. Beautiful, let me get full body. Yeah, chin out, down hard, and then sweep, it's on your eye. Beautiful, Lauren, good job, Maddie. This hand, can you just gently pull that hair back and hold on to it? Yeah, right there. Let me get a tight shot. Beautiful. Lift that arm a little bit. I don't want to mash your hair. And you can come down with that elbow just a little bit more. Right there. Beautiful. Here we go. 1, 2. Looking off maybe at that truck. Yes, right there. Gorgeous. Give me your eyes. All right. So I want you to see this, what we're doing here. So let's take a look at Maddie's technique, right? She's using 2 hands, really strong technique that she's got going on. And it's above her head, which is also very important, right? The sun doesn't come from the ground. Sometimes we have to be underneath, but for the most part, we want that up here. So another ugly spot killer shot. Not everything has to be like, it just has to be a location that you would not normally shoot. That's the goal, right? I want you to see something that where you're like, oh, I'd never, shoot there, and learn how to use light, composition, depth of field to create some killer shots. I think we got some great stuff both with and without, with the scrim and with the reflector. But with the reflector, I think that's bonus points right there. All right, so we're gonna do a little test here. Maybe it's like an idiot test, I don't know, but I've seen a lot of photographers not be able to fold this. I've already proven myself I'm not doing it again. I'm worthy of it. But now we're gonna give it to Brandy hair and makeup. Let's see what we got. Can you get it folded? Oh, that's a different technique.
Just twist it.
Okay, all right, impressive.
We do the taco twist.
Yeah, we do a little taco twist. So no, we're not gonna tell anybody what it is yet because we're gonna get Smiles in on this. Let's see what you got, Smiles. Lauren, not only are you a photographer, you are a model. So you should, well, I should have said it in the reverse. Not only are you a model, you are a photographer. You're one of us.
Yes.
You need to, I mean, the makeup artist has already done it. Can you do it? Do we need to put a timer on to watch her do this? Yeah. Let's go. It's pretty big. Yes, Lauren.
Wait, hold on.
She makes it too easy sometimes. All right, focus on her. Yeah, not looking good. Not.
Taco twist. Wait, hold on.
Yeah, taco twist. What kind of tacos you eat? All right, here you go. Here's the trick.
Yes.
So you grab it by here, and then you just give it a little.
Oh, can I try? Hold on.
Yeah. All right, so the video's changed purpose. It's how to fold a scrim. All right, well, we'll be back in the next video, and Lauren will probably still be working on that. We'll see you in the next one.